down here in Wildwood, New Jersey, in front of the famous Wildwood sign with the color beach balls all around. It's a famous location here. Got to kind of give you a tour around this area here. So yeah, stay tuned. You know, get your popcorn. We're gonna show you some of the Wildwood, at least down here. Kind of, it's a little bit south of the convention center where this display is. Let me kind of pan around here in case I'm not wide enough. You can see it all here. So usually it's a lot of people right here, but it's already the off season. It's a couple days after Labor Day here, so it's not as packed as usual with tourists. People are going back to school, going home for the season. So, okay, get ready for the tour here. Hello, this is Ron here in Wildwood, New Jersey, here near the convention center where they have the Wildwood beach ball display here. It's like they have of course, the big sign up there, and then they have the beach balls kind of all around this entrance here. This is actually, you can't actually drive up here. You can see that, it's blocked off here. So this is a, kind of a no drive zone here. But yeah, this is, the main drag in Wildwood here. I don't know what the street's called. There is a fast y'all here. There's a Forest Brothers right over here. So yeah, we're right in the middle, kind of the heart of Wildwood here. Actually, we're not in the heart of the boardwalk area. It's a little bit to the north of here, but yeah, it's still a very busy area here. It's parking lots to either side of me here. And you see we're walking up this, the color bricks here that match the ambience of the sign here. The sign's always people here. This is people come on off the beach here, but this is always a very photographed, very, video recorded area of Wildwood here that's kind of unique. These beach balls are kind of all over town. It's kind of like their kind of logo, you know what I mean? What Wildwoods identifies as Wildwood, all these beach balls and the signage. It's kind of a doo-wop thing from the, say, inspired by the 1950s sound of people like Frankie Avalon, Fabian, things like that. So, yeah, so this is, if you've never seen this is something to see. Here, let's go right through the O here. We're going to go right through the O. Okay, coming up here is the famous Wildwood tram car. Coming right at you here on the other side of the boardwalk here. Legendary tram car. $5 a ride, that thing. There we go. The famous tram car. They're all waving at me. I have to pay them all commission for this video. Here's the famous Wildwood sign from behind here. It's meant to, say Wildwood as you're coming to the beach, but this is what it looks like when you're leaving the beach.